Okay guys, I'm actually bike checking my 2018 Nukeproof Mega 275. Frame is a medium size, and then the fork travels 160. RockShox Lyric Ultimate 2020 upgraded to 2021 shaft. And then I'm using also the rear shock for Super Deluxe RockShox as well. Then cockpit, I'm using actually a fat bar rental and a stem. And then brake set is actually XTR 9020. Then for my wheel set, I'm using D2 Swiss XM481 275. And then for the tire I'm using actually Maxxis. In front I'm using DHF, and then at the back I'm using Minion roller, high roller. Group set I'm using NX Eagle 11 speed. Pedals I'm using the Nukeproof pedals. For the dropper I'm using actually a Brand X Ascent. I'm not sure whether it's Ascent 2 or Ascent 1. It's Brand X. And saddle I'm using Nukeproof saddle, and for the grips I'm using McCaskill.
Tapos,
Ano pa ba?
wheel set sa likod paras lang, di ba?
Pareho lang.
Maxxis.
Dropper post I'm
Ah.
using actually Brand X Ascent. I think
Ulitin mo ulit, may nagsalita ako eh. Ulitin mo ulit.
Okay. What else? Okay, anong tawag dito pre?
Ano yan?
Ang tawag dito, group set.